All right, welcome to a daily video update on USDJPY. So now we can see that we had a strong bearish candle yesterday, but when you look at it, all it really did was come and bounce off this break of structure. So you do still have to be careful with this trade today. The TP for the day is down here. That's a short TP. We've taken that monthly weekly high, and we've taken that high that we left a couple of days ago. So you still have to be careful because the buyers might have just stepped in there and they're going to take this and take this high. But the odds are on our favor to at least sweep the low. Now, if we take a look at the weekly, so we'll look at the weekly here. Here's your weekly wick. That's like the ultimate zone for buyers to come in, which is down here. So that's why I'm more confident that this is going to come down today. And then Thursday to possibly Friday, we'll have a new high if they decide to take it that extra zone. So if we mark out all the buyers from here, they've taken their profit at the 75. They're now going to want to wait to get in either from the 50 here, which would be a good zone for them to start buying, or this wick, and they're going to try ramp it up all the way to that 100% zone. So now that we marked that, let's go to the daily. We can see that the daily, there is a support, which is just there. So here's the support off of the daily candle. That's the daily support. And then you have another daily wick zone, which is here. So ultimate buyers will mark these areas out and they'll be trying to buy anywhere in these zones. So if you are a buyer for this week, you should be buying underneath at least this day. Anywhere under here is a buy zone, but you want to take it all the way up to that 100% zone. You have a break of structure trade as well that you can go off of this. So break of structure trade would, oops, what's going on there? Your break of structure zone would look like this. And they're going to try to take it all the way to that 75 and then possibly to the 100. But just off of this daily, I'm happy to go short. I'm scalping it short. I have started scaling in my shorts and we're targeting this zone. Let's see if there's anything that we could see, a perfect area that's still relatively bullish. If we take a look at this 4-hour candle that was left on previous day, but I just like to watch out because they've already swept this 4-hour high. And if you see where it actually lines up, so the 75 lines up right above this. So I do have sells there, and then I have more sell up here, which should be off of that daily wick. Sorry, 1 second. That's like your ultimate sell zone up here if you can get that off of this day. But remember, if this sweeps low, I will not be looking to sell anymore. So once that previous day is done, I will not be selling anymore. That's me for the day, because of what it might do. It might wick down here and start continuing up. You do not want to be caught in that. Apart from that, happy trading.